How's it going, guys? This is the second day of the cam install. Everything's ready. If you've seen my previous video, I just need to clean up all this little dirt and stuff so it won't get on the inside of the cams, the valve covers. I'm just gonna vacuum it with this bitch. Yeah. So once I vacuum it, I'll record me taking off the valve covers and everything. Already listened to every single one of them out. Oh, it looks like I forgot one right there, but yeah, let me get through this. Here's the first valve cover. Set this aside. Over here. These are the non-lopey camshafts. I just need to put the wedge tool in. And I saw on comp cams that you don't really have to get these out. You can just loosen one by one, going clockwise, and you should be able to take them out. I'm gonna end up doing that. This gasket. Holy fuck. Here's the gasket. Bye-bye, because these holes either were leaking, I'm not sure. But yeah, let me just get this sorted out. Get the wedge tool in there and come back. Alright guys, so last time you saw I had everything uncovered. I put everything back together because I came through some difficulties. First, I snapped 2 bolts. About to go ahead and replace. I had the cam switched from each side so they were fucked up. I had some, yeah, the phasers and everything were, I had trouble with them, but I ended up doing it. Fuck. But I ended up fixing it. Hopefully, I haven't started it yet. But my brother just put in all the coils from this side, and I still need to put the battery and everything else. But yeah, everything went pretty. It took longer than expected, but yeah, everything should be good. Hopefully, get this little coach start, put the tune, coach start, then data log for Lido a bit, and that should be it for today's video. Yeah, so let's wait. I'm gonna just put everything back together and record in a bit. Guys, she's finished. Woo! About time. Let me just download the tune from Lido, and I'll give you a little coach start. Let's go. Everything's tying back together. Connection, everything's coils, battery. Let's go. All right, let me just do a coach start. Reload the tune and coach start. Downloading this fucking tune. About to data log an idle, so make sure it turns on right and idle's good. So just little red dot, right? Okay. sounds fucking loud. She seems to be running good. That smoke is because I dropped oil on the header, so it's pretty good. That's not that bad. Seems to be running healthy. All that smoke is the header. Yeah, but ooh, she's running healthy, boy.